Hello, my name is Paulina. I'm from Chile, living in Saudi Arabia. I came from there to do this workshop about inner child because I felt the need to heal my past. I'm 60, almost 62 years old, and I felt the need because I started to see patterns in my life and I don't want them anymore. So I came here after 2 intense days of workshop. I feel that I'm starting to understand and to change myself, to change in my inner self and connect it with my inner child. Um, Very interesting and as I said, intense. So thank you, Dr. Kiran and Dr. Mugda, to give me this opportunity to heal my life. Thank you.